You can see, looks like it's got, yeah, looks like it's got inline four barrels, two inline four barrels on, like they had on the early Fords. They were really, really cool. They had them on the, on the 427s. So maybe this is a 427 side oiler in there. But that's pretty cool. I like those. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the truck series from Walmart. Had to take a ride down to Watkins Glen the other day to pick up a set of headers for the my S10 project. And of course, you gotta stop at the Walmart, right? And I was lucky enough to find all 5 of the truck series when I was there in Watkins Glen. So let's give them a look. There are 5 cars, like I said, 5 trucks. First one is the 65 Ford Ranchero. And that is done in a lime green. Looks like a pearl lime on there. The interior is chrome. The front grille and bumper is chrome. The rear bumper is chrome. The windows are clear. Has a white roof on it. The looks like a tonneau cover on the back, and that is done in black. Stripes on the hood are black and silver. You can see, looks like it's got, inline four barrels, two inline four barrels on, like they had on the early Fords. They were really, really cool. They had them on the, on the 427s. So maybe this is a 427 side oiler in there. But that's pretty cool. I like those. Let's see, the stripes or the tampos on the side. As a white and silver stripe going down the whole side. Also black and silver panel on the side too. Has a silver Hot Wheels logo on the back. The wheels are all small chrome PR5s all the way around. And that is it for this one. But that is pretty cool. I like that. I like the inline four barrels. Looks really nice. Number 2 is the Mazda Repo, and that is done in a yellow. No metallic in this one at all. Has a black panel on the hood. The bed liner is black plastic. Interior is black. Windows are clear. And tampos on the side. We got black down by the rocker panel. Got a black panel on the back of the box. It has orange side marker lights. The front grille is part of the black plastic base, and no back bumper on it at all. And the wheels are blacked out steelies, and they have a dark gray rim. And that is it for the Mazda Repo. Number 3 is the Datsun 620, and that is done in a gray primer. Yeah, no shine to this one at all flat. Has flat black stripes on the hood with a black and white 73. Also on the side has semi-gloss stripes on the side with a black and white 73. And Datsun on the back of the box has orange side marker lights. I would be looking, and I'm going to be looking when they show up at our Walmart to see if we can get a consistent either flat black on the hood and the side or semi-gloss on the hood and the side. But right now we got flat black on the hood and semi-gloss on the side. The bed liner is black plastic along with the interior. Window is got a little tint to it, so I can't say that it's clear, but it's got just a little tint to it. The front grille and bumper are black plastic, go along with the black plastic base, and the rear bumper is also part of the base. The wheels are all small, blacked out 5 spokes, real tiny ones, with a yellow ring on them. And there it is, the Datsun 620. Number 4 is the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. And that is done in a really, really dark maroon metallic. It has a white top on it. And on the hood is cream and white stripe. And along the side, again, is white and cream stripes with a black oval on the door that says Land Rover. There is a cream Hot Wheel logo on the back of the box also. The front grille, just the grille and the front bumper are part of the black plastic base. The rear bumper is also part of the base. The bed liner is black with a spare tire, and the interior is black also. Windows are lightly tinted on this one, and the wheels are all small, white painted OR5s, knobby ones all the way around. And there it is too, the Land Rover Series 3 pickup. Last one in the bunch, one of my all-time favorites, is the custom 72 Chevy LUV. And this is done in a nice blue enamel, really, really, really pretty. I like that. The hood has dark blue, light blue, black, and white tampos on it. It looks like it's got Hillborn injection on it, all straight up there. It has chrome bed liner in the back. The interior is chrome. The window is clear. Looks like the fuel cell, or is that a battery back there? I don't know, but that's just part of the body. Tampos on the side are dark blue, light blue, white, and black. The front grille is chrome, goes along with the interior, and the base is a matching blue plastic. Wheels are chrome 5-spokes all the way around. Got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. And again, this is definitely one of my all-time favorites. So there you have it, the latest truck series from Walmart. We got them down at Watkins Glen, and I did get a good deal on them headers too. So hopefully we'll get that truck running soon. I can't wait. Thanks for stopping by. Please tell your friends, please subscribe, and please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.